Okay, so I'm down here in my basement at my practice door. This is a video that I've wanted to do for quite a while now, just never got really around to doing it, but I am forced to do it now because I have a whole bunch of different doorknobs that I want to put on and practice on those. So I'll be using only Covert Instruments, and what I'll probably be doing is zooming in and out, moving the camera all around. So that'll be a little annoying, might take a little bit of time. So this certainly won't be for speed by any means. But yeah, I just thought I'd give it a go. We'll use, like I said, only Covert Instruments. So let me zoom in here and see if we can get it going. So again, using only Covert Instruments. I think this is just like a generic doorknob. This is certainly nothing special. So I'll be using the Quint 30,000 primer. Or not. Of course, on video, this doorknob never gives me so much trouble. Oh, boy. Wow, okay. Well, let's try the 40,000 here. Very interesting. Yeah, like I said, usually doesn't give me any trouble. Wait. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, whatever. Anyway, all right. So this is, I already got the 40,000. So yeah, let me move down to the next doorknob. Oh, it's already in focus. So this is calling for 40,000 and the, okay, so this doorknob actually has spools in it, but you can still rake it if you do it just right. So this is kind of a nice little video. You just have to allow the tension to pop up. So let's give it a shot here. 40,000 with the twin peak. And let's see if we can break open a doorknob with spools. I can tell it wants to go. Yeah, let's see. So you can do it. It is possible. Alright, so this one is calling for 40,000. Been able to do this a bunch of different ways. Nothing super consistent, so since I have the twin peak in my hand, let's give it a go and see if we can. Oh, you know what? I didn't move the camera. Hold up. There we go. Sorry, folks. On a different doorknob here. Alright, so again, 40,000. Oh, 40,000 twin peak. Let's give it a go. This doorknob sometimes gives me trouble. Oh, very well, got it pretty quick this time. So the next one, if it's in focus, yes. So this one wants to be, this one like single pin picking. This also has spools in it, so let's give that a go. Probably hear my furnace running in the background. I apologize for that. I am in my basement. So anyway. So all these tools are in 25,000. So see, there's a false set, some counter rotation. Hopefully I'm staying out of the way here. That guy, and then this bottom one here is actually going to be a blind pick. I have not picked this one yet. I'll probably just try to rake it. Let's see, let's go with the Quint, and maybe let's see if the 40,000 works. Yeah, 40,000 fits in there. I think that's pretty good. This is that cheap brand, what is it, RB or something like that, so nothing special. But we'll give it a go. I know this is a blind pick here, folks. Let's see if we can get her. Watch this one give me the most trouble because it's a freaking cheap doorknob. Maybe so. Figure, right? Let's go with the twin peak again on this guy. See if we can get it with this one instead. What I noticed with doorknobs is half the battle is keeping the doorknobs still enough while you're trying to rig to make it worthwhile. Oh man. Maybe we'll be coming back to this one. Let's try going the other way. You always got to make sure you're going the right way too. Oh, I hate doing it like this, but it works. Oh, all right, maybe 30,000. Not sure why that would make a difference, but sometimes you never know. Oh, really? Gotta be kidding me. Oh, I had it. You saw that on camera, I actually had it. I'll let it go. There we go. Alright, well that one's picked. Now, I need to move the camera. Sorry that took so long. Was a blind pick. I had no idea what was going to work best. Okay. So, let's see where we at here. I can get 3 in at a shot here. Alright, this one is calling for the quad. Grab my quad and 30,000. Make sure you're always going the right way. That one pretty quick. We need the twin peak and 40. This one is also this direction. That guy. This one is 30 with the Clint. I think that one's still in focus, right? Yeah. Might as well get the rest of them now. Okay, so this is 30 with the Quint. This was actually, probably can't see it on camera. That, the doorknob I'm about to do used to be right there, but we don't have that one anymore. Okay, Quint 30. This one going in this direction still. Ooh, 30. Okay. What is this? I don't even know what kind of doorknob this is. Probably some cheap thing. got all bent and smashed up. Let's see, watch this piece of crap give me a run too. Alright, 40 single pin picking. Oh, tell me how tempting it is to get the Methodical out, right? Okay, so again, this lock will have spools in it. There was a time I never thought doorknobs had security pins. And then I learned that that's not true. All right, so one last one. This one's gonna be like a half blind pick because I have single pin picked it, but I'd like to give it a raking. Just kind of see if we can rake it this time. So let's start with the quint. And let's go with 40,000 just to start it off. And let's see if we can rake her. Doesn't want the quint, I don't know. Try the quad. Oh, there we go. And we're open now. Okay, so that's the practice door. Really hoping to do another video then with my new knobs on and stuff. The new knobs will be, let's see if I can show one. They're actually the lever kind. So I'm super excited about that. Change it up, do some practicing. I think there's 5 of them. I got a couple deadbolts to practice with, so hopefully more to come. Stay tuned.